Malaki and I'm doing level 1 bricklaying. I enjoy the different things we do. Obviously we're building walls, but it's more like the different stuff you learn. The more you move up on the walls, you learn different stuff overall. So that's why I enjoy about it. Yeah, it's good. I have my sandwich every break and stuff. The workshop's quite good. It's quite big and stuff. Got everything you'll need to learn your skills and actually qualify for the course. It was quite good, to be fair, because obviously I still have some mates who from high school, but I found some mates quite quickly in my course, so everyone was pretty nice, to be fair, so it was quite easy. Well, it's quite good. Everyone seems happy to be here. Everyone seems eager to learn on the subject they're doing. Yeah, if you'd like to do construction like I'm doing, I think this is the best place to go to learn about the industry.